As a head of RWD, it gives me great pride to say that we have achieved distinctive leadership in the field by not just building concrete structures, but by building lasting relationship. An icon of trust, integrity and transparency, at RWD, our unwavering goal has been to provide our esteemed customers with an exceptional service experience. We achieve this through a proficient and experienced management team of industry experts who are dedicated to making a total commitment and total contribution to the success of the company.
As an award-winning pioneer in the real estate industry, we excel at designing, engineering and constructing an impressive portfolio of world-class residential apartments, commercial buildings, farmland projects and villa plot layouts. All our projects are positioned in prime, fast appreciating locations with good connectivity and robust value-added features. And we do it within budget and on schedule through our proven methodology and continual improvement of quality standards.
In any business, brand or organization, sales and marketing are the most critical aspects as they bring in the much needed revenue into the system. Sales is revenue generation, whereas marketing is lead generation. Sales can be directly compared to life, because in life as well as sales, to achieve greatness, you need to have a clear-cut goal or a vision. As far as real estate is concerned, there are 3 checkboxes that we need to tick: a good brand, a good price, and a good location. This is what has made RWD stand out as a super brand.
At RWD, our mission is to adopt stylistic exploration of form and function to create beauty in everyday life and protect and preserve our planet through eco-friendly and sustainable building initiatives.
The vision of RWD is to aim big and to be an eminent global realty player by creating remarkable concrete masterpieces that transform skylines. We are committed to achieve the highest standards of engineering excellence, and we use only primary steels consistently in all our projects since beginning.
Right since our inception, our mission has been the same: to be a truly world-class and multi-dimensional company with a relentless pledge to address new challenges and deliver beyond expectations. In the last 1.5 decades, we were focused on developing low-rise apartments, and then we moved to high-rise apartments. We also did villas, villa plots, mini townships and commercial buildings.
We believe in exceptional financial discipline, which has helped us to achieve this distinguished success in the past 15 years. We are focused at exceeding customer expectations through ethical transactions and by raising the benchmarks in lifestyle through path-breaking innovations. This customer-centric business philosophy has steered us towards achieving legendary leadership in the field of real estate with an ever-growing list of loyal customers.
At RWD, we believe in empowering our talent force and providing them with the right opportunities for growth. In turn, they do magic for us by giving their best. At the moment, we have huge plans for expansion, and we are all in and proud of this momentous growth story.
The future path of RWD looks highly promising, and we have exciting expansion plans. As a fully integrated real estate corporation, we are all set to journey ahead towards a glorious tomorrow, filled with infinite possibilities, momentous growth and diversification. The first step in this direction will be to design and create few integrated townships at par with international standards. Starting with Chennai, then moving across to other major towns of Tamil Nadu. And although we are present in few states, we would still take it to pan-India level, eventually establishing a significant presence in the global real estate market.